When the Prime Minister of India comes home to see his mother, she says, "Oh, Damodar." His name is Damodar Modi. She says, "Oh, Damodar. What's up? Are you eating enough? Are they taking care of you? Yeah, Mom, it's okay. I have." So the mother is always the mother, and a mother always has mother dristi, the vision of a mother. You're my son. You're not a big man. I'm a big man. You're not the PM. You're my little Vatsa. You're my little baby. Are you okay, Damodar? Yeah, Mom, I'm okay. Here's the Prime Minister that can, blow up the world, all the bombs and whatever. And then he comes home and he has to sit in his mother's lap and have his cheeks pinched. Because this is the Madhurya. I can't see anything more than this. So even a mother in the mundane world is on Rag Marg. A mundane mother in the material world is on Rag Marg. She just, I don't know who he is or what he is. I don't even care. I love him.